What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to raise the rear end on a Mark IV Jetta wagon. I did have it on Raceland Ultimos, and I'll show you a picture of what it was like. Even with the perches all the way up, which is one of the collars that you can adjust, it was still tucking in the rear. So what I was able to do is I was able to locate some lowering springs. I guess you can use the basic red springs as well, and it will give you more height. So I'm going to basically show you just how to install these lowering springs in.
Alright, as you can see from my wagon here, you can see that the rear wheel is tucking pretty badly, which was causing the tire to rub on the wheel arch.
Alright, it's pretty simple right now. We have the jack. Sorry, my driveway is crap, but I have a jack and a jack stand. And then you'll need 2 wrenches or ratchets with 16mm deep socket, and then just a basic 16mm. So here's the bolt. You're gonna go down here and you'll see the shocks right here. Be the bolt here or the nut here, depending on which way someone installed them. So what I did, I loosened it, took the nut off, and then I used the jack and put it under the tire to support this so it would stay even, so I could pull the nut out. And then after you do that, you can kind of just move this, and so I just pulled it down and pulled the spring out. So now, this is what we're with, and you can kind of compare the two. So the blue one's a bit bigger. The issue to run into is this cup that goes onto the body. So this is how it looks like underneath. I found that you had to cut all these off. Just take a knife, cut all these edges off and make it round. And then you can, because right now it doesn't fit in there, as you can see. And I have the other end in.